A clogged ear from earwax buildup is best annoying and, at worst, a prelude to hearing loss. So how can you best handle earwax woes? Earwax buildup is common in both children and adults and often causes significant discomfort. However, this problem can be easily solved at home. In some people, the glands inside the ears produce more earwax that, sometimes, cannot be easily removed. Thus, excess wax can block the entire canal by hardening the natural wax that forms in the ear. The wax protects the ear by capturing dust and bacteria and other small particles, reducing injuries. Sometimes the wax can be produced in too large a quantity and can affect our hearing, and other times it can even be painful. According to the House of Health, earwax plugs are formed from two independent causes: very high environment temperature or prolonged exposure to moisture. To solve the problem yourself at home, you only need 2 inexpensive ingredients and a little courage. For this home remedy, you need garlic oil and olive oil. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of pure olive oil. You shouldn't let it get too hot, or it will burn your ear. Then add 4 drops of garlic oil and mix. Use a pipette or a syringe to put a few drops from this mixture into your ear. Turn your head to make sure the oil stays in your ear for 5 to 10 minutes. Before using the remedy, test the garlic oil on the skin and see if it irritates you. If it does not cause any side effects, use it with confidence. Apart from olive and garlic oil, there is an alternative method to work within minutes of applying it. You need to put a few drops of hydrogen peroxide in your ear and wait. After a few minutes, the wax plug will dissolve. Caution! Do not attempt to remove the wax plug using tweezers, scissors, clips, or other sharp objects, as there's a risk of perforation of the eardrum. It is also recommended that you consult a specialist if the manifestations of earwax become severe. To get more videos like this,